So over here we have like 3-4 boards with termite damage. We're gonna remove those and replace them with new. This is a 2 1/4 red oak refinished. And here we have the little boss at work with us. So yeah, we're gonna get going with this. This is a pre-finished hardwood floor. We're gonna adjust the Skil, so we're gonna just cut 2 lines in 2 boards maybe, or 1. And we need to adjust the Skil so at the depth. Let me see. You don't want to cut in the plywood or concrete if you have concrete subfloor. This is gonna be like a hair. Yeah, that will be perfect. You can see it's a hair. So it's probably this we're gonna clean, we're gonna vacuum everything, so we don't need to worry about that. So yeah, this we have 3-4 damaged boards. That's it. We're gonna cut that one first. This one to stop there. We're gonna go into the next board. So this is something what the previous installer, that's the finish nail, left outside, and look how the installation was made by the previous installers. So we're gonna do core around, they have big gaps all around, like a 1/4 inch, but even the installation is poorly done. We're gonna try to fix everything, see even if you have gaps. Yeah, this is the cuts. What I did with the Skil, so we're gonna replace those boards. That's how it is, if you can see the gap. That's very poor labor, craftsmanship made by the installers. And then here we have gaps for the yeah, well, we're gonna fix most of it. Hopefully we're not gonna find any termites. A little nasty. They do a lot of damage. Rollers, chisel. This is pretty easy because it's a nail down, but yeah. So this is like what a termite damage looks like. See, I didn't see any live termites, so which is pretty good, pretty good. not easy. Okay. That's it. Got it. Yeah? Really? To make it easy, here we have some floor staplers. We need to remove. Get a channel lock or some pliers. Remove that. And then the one. You have the floor staplers. Now that's why this should come off easy. Yep. Nice. So we didn't damage the other ones. Over there we have our boss helping, trying to figure out the measurements. Yeah, so before everything, make sure you remove all the floor staplers. In. Out, 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 out. This should come off easier. It's still my damage. So let's see. That made it easy. Good. Now we can clean. We can clean and glue and nail them on boards. Looks like the damage was only on 3 boards, 4 boards. It's a big enough. We can have some wood glue. Let's put it going in. Let's see. Try to. Let's put the rubber on it. Here we cut a little piece so we can kick the board. Nice. I'm gonna clean that. Okay. And do the second border. Okay. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna break the back lip from this. Let's see. We can do this with the channel. Then we can just that's how you need to do it. Or nice. So it needs to look like this. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna do some glue, not too much. Push it in the tongue and groove, and then push it back. Okay? Nice. Now what we're gonna put here, and put one on the top. Perfect. Here you don't need to put too many because it's holding up the tongue and groove. Okay? What's this? And this was easy. Here we're going to do the same thing, so we can push this in. We're going to break the groove, the lower lip. Nice and easy. And I already cut the back lip, so and you can see it's still gonna hold because we need to push it in and then bring it back. So let's see if with how we did. Let's put some glue. I don't need too much. Okay. Oh. Nice. Bring it back. It's very nice. Then nails. Yeah, it's a difference in the color, but yeah, it's gonna look good. Let me know what you guys think. Like, share, and subscribe. Hopefully my videos are helpful for you. And thanks again for sharing, subscribing.
We already installed the corner now, the shoe base. Here is where we did the repairs. You can see the light colors. It's been in the box, so it didn't change the color. Yeah, so if you remember the big gaps under the baseboard, so now fix it with a shoe base. Very simply, look how nice it looks.